going to draw today? That's right, we're going to draw ice cream. Okay, would you like to join me? Yeah, alright, let's go. My favorite ice cream flavor is strawberry and vanilla. What about yours? Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. So first, we're going to start with the cone, okay? We're going to make a letter V, okay? Your turn. Well done. Alright, now we're going to make a curve, okay? Just like that. Now let's add a line on each side, okay? Got it? Okay. So now we're going to make a curve, okay? It's a bit like a letter C, okay? Got it? Alright. Now we're going to continue making this curve to the other end of the cone, okay? Your turn now. Alright. So now we're going to build up and make another curve. And let's do that to the other side. Okay. So now let's make the second scoop. Okay? Let's make another letter C. And now let's make more curves until the other side of the scoop, okay? Alright, so now we are going to build up and add a cherry on the top, okay? So a little gap there, that's for the cherry, okay? Alright, now let's add a circle, okay? Alright, now let's add the stem. It's looking good. So now let's add some eyes and mouth to make it super cute, okay? Alright, now I'm going to add 2 circles inside each eye as the highlights, okay? Alright, so now we are going to color it in, okay? Okay, so let's add a smile and also some eyelashes to the eye, okay? Looking cute! Alright, now let's make some crisscross pattern on the cone, okay? Let's do that. So we're going to make some lines. Watch me. Got it? Okay. Now let's make lines crossing it, okay? looks really cute. Alright, now all that's left to do is just to color it. Let's do it. That is one yummy looking ice cream. I had so much fun today. Did you have fun? Yeah? Oh, don't forget to subscribe then, so that we can go again together. Yeah. Alright. So I hope all of you will have a nice day and keep on smiling, keep on drawing. See you on the next one.